everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some suggestions and pointers on how you can create your Trello board in Roblox, so let's get right into it. Now, I am not that experienced with Roblox. I barely even played it ever, or even programmed anything in it. However, I have used Trello, and I know well, how you can use it in general, and I know it is very susceptible, or it was made with the intent to be integrated with other things. It is very modular in regards to its integrations with other apps. So I'm going to be pointing you in what you need to look at so that you can make a Trello board in Roblox. So this is Trello API. This is an API which you're going to be needing to use to connect Trello and Roblox. It is a model for Roblox, so you can easily download it from the internet for Roblox, and also it is used for most Trello applications inside Roblox. You should, of course, download it off the internet and read the documentation. The documentation should have most of the info you're looking for. I sadly do not, and I don't want to confuse you guys any further than I should, even though you guys might think this is sort of a clickbait title. I do apologize, however, I do not want to confuse you guys at all, since I don't know what I'm talking about in regards to this coding right here. Yeah, I would recommend you look at this post. It's called Trello API Remade, and you can very easily download the documentation and the API from this page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.